Hello everybody, welcome to the Billion Coin Mart app, the number one app that accepts TBC as a means of payment. We do 100% TBC for ebooks. We do 100% for airtime that comes with a subscription in fiat. We do 50-50 for website design. We do garage sales for items ranging from 50-50 to 100%. Okay, but 100% comes with shipping, 50-50 comes with free shipping. So guys, the point of doing this video with you guys is to give you guys an insight, okay, to give you guys an insight as to how you can make a lot of money with TBC. I'm talking about smart money with TBC by leveraging TBC merchants. So TBC merchants are everywhere in the world. Yes, they might not be in your location, but there are countries where they can ship to you. Okay, but the thing there is the recruitment for merchants started this year. So merchants all over the world definitely, with your help, we definitely come on board TBC. But there's one thing we need to know is this, okay? There is smart way to make money leveraging merchants. Let me give you an example. I design graphics for 100% TBC. Okay, be it logo, complimentary card, whatever it is you want designed for you, we can design it for you and send to you the soft copy via email. Okay, now if you go on social media and you advertise that a complimentary card design or maybe a logo design goes for 3,000 naira or maybe goes for $5, for example, okay, and you get that job, okay, you get the job and you pass on the job to us and pay TBC to us, 100% TBC. Do you know at that point what you are making is $10? Okay, let me use dollars because I'm not addressing just Nigerians. I'm addressing everybody, whether you are in India, Papua New Guinea, US, anywhere you are. Okay, this is how to make smart money leveraging merchants. If you go to a merchant who is selling a bag of rice for 50% cash, 50% TBC, and probably the total cost amounts to 18,000 or 18,000 naira, or maybe amounts to, let's say, $50, for example. Okay, and you know it's 50% cash, 50% TBC, meaning $25 will be paid in dollars and 25% will be paid in TBC. Do you know that if you market that same bag of rice to somebody, okay, and that person pays $100 to you, that automatically you've made $50 for yourself, because the other half you're going to use your TBC to pay for it. That's example number 2. Let's say you refer somebody to me to design a website and they want an e-commerce website which the average price should be between let's say $200 to as high as $1,000, depending on the website. But let's use $200 for example. Okay, for an average e-commerce store or for a website, e-commerce website, or even a blog. Let's just use $200 for example. Okay, do you know that 50% of that 50% of $200 is $100? So that means that if the client pays you $200, that the only thing you're going to send to me to design that website is $100, and the remaining $100 is yours. Okay. So I can go on and give you an example of ways to make smart money with TBC, leveraging TBC merchants. But the thing there is that you have to open your mind to see these opportunities. And the opportunities are so much out there. Okay? So much out there. Okay, let me use another example let me use another example. Let's say my partner, I finally got partners. Okay, I finally got partners who who help in referring people, and through the Bitcoin bounty, Bitcoin bounty and Bitcoin contest, we're able to raise funds for shopping with 100% TBC. Do you know that if we're able to start, if that was successful, and able to raise some good cash, and we decide to like sell a phone for 100% TBC, then you can market that same phone, collect the cash, and still pay for the item with TBC. Automatically, what you are getting is the price of the item, the fiat currency. Okay? Or let's say I decide to sell airtime for 100% TBC. Okay? Airtime for 100% TBC. Guess what? You can decide to start selling airtime yourself. If somebody wants $100, 200 naira, or maybe let's say $1, $2, $3 worth of airtime, for example, all you have to do is credit me in TBC and keep the actual fiat for yourself. Why am I saying this? The reason I'm saying this is that people in TBC tend to have this notion that the only way you can make money, actual money, in TBC is by only selling your coins. Meanwhile, the opportunity abounds. The opportunity abounds in using this smart strategy to make money leveraging TBC merchant. Opportunity abounds in becoming a bulk payment credit dealer, whereby people will contact you to buy for you to help them pay the admin fee. Okay, there is opportunity that abounds in the Bitcoin bounty. There's an opportunity right now for everybody in the Bitcoin contest. So what are we waiting for? Why are we clamoring all about selling the coin? I'm not against selling the coin, okay, but for you to sell the coin, you need to know that it is not to an exchange, but to people, because this is peer to peer. Okay, I also deal on Bitcoin. I have an exchange for Bitcoin, but most of my transactions are peer to peer. Rarely do I use an exchange. Okay, rarely do I use an exchange. So, guys, the reason I'm doing this is I want to clear the air around, people thinking that if without selling the coin, you can't make any money for yourself. If you are actually, okay, you have bills to pay, okay, and you don't put your blame on TBC, okay, you have bills to pay, don't put your blame on TBC. Put your blame on yourself for not having the ability to reason out how to carry out these transactions, to do any of these things, even when those information are right there in front of you. Maybe nobody has done a video like this to tell you, but now I'm telling you. Okay? If you come to me and tell me, hey, you have a client that wants to design a website, and I give you the price, and you tell the customer, okay, as 50% of that price will be paid in TBC. That means you, the referrer, gets to keep 50% of the client's payment. Okay? There is even opportunity in referring people to buy TBC from me or from anybody. Okay? And all it takes is 50%. You get 50% commission. The right now you have to put in the work to earn from TBC. That's the truth. You have to put in the work to earn from TBC. So that's my message today. Okay, that's my message today. I hope it's clear. If you don't understand, call me, WhatsApp me, text me. You can even drop a comment in the comment section. I will address it. Okay, but I hope my point is clear. There is smart money to be made by leveraging TBC merchants. Okay, so guys, so I see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.